एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अ नर्सिंग ब्लॉग यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम MPCHO 2019 शिफ्ट 3 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। इसके पहले हमने शिफ्ट 2 के पूरे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा दिए हैं, उसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज अ ट्रू अबाउट एडिमा? So here right answer is all of the above, because edema, it is the fluid retention in a body. It affects the tissue, becomes swollen, and it is a reversible. Okay, so what is the main definition of edema? It is the fluid retention of a body. The buildup of a fluid causes the effect in a tissue to become a swollen, and of course it is a reversible. We can provide the elevation of then compression and also reduce the salt intake, so it helps to relieve the symptoms of edema. So here our right answer is all of the above. The next question, what is the main function of liver? So produce the insulin. It is a function of pancreas. Bile production and excretion, yes, it is the function of liver. Okay, then secretion of gastric juice, it is the function of stomach. So here B is the right answer. The main function of liver is bile production and secretion. Then third question, what is the true about gallbladder? So here our right answer is it stores the bile. Okay, next question, semen contain what? So semen contain the prostatic fluid, then sperm, and also seminal fluid. So here D is the right answer. The next question, normal respiratory rate per minute for an adult at rest. So here normal respiratory rate is about 12 to 20 breath per minute. The next question, which muscles is the most typically used to give injection in arm? So here deltoid muscles is the most preferable site to give injection in arm. For an exact location, we have first locate the acromion process, then below two finger we have to image upright down triangular, and for a correct location we have to give the injection on the center of that triangular. Okay, next question, tube containing the kidney to urinary bladder is. So here our right answer is ureter, which connect the kidney to urinary bladder. Next question, part of eye where image is formed. So here right answer is retina. Okay, next question, which statement is the incorrect option? So here ossicles are 2 bones. It is the wrong statement, because ossicles are 3 bone. Okay, ossicle of ear include malleus, which is the hammer shape, then incus, which is the anvil shape, and third one is the stapes, which is the smallest bone of our human body. Okay, the next question, what is the true about lungs option? So here our right answer is they have a bronchi and bronchioles. Okay, first option, right lung have a 2 lobe. It is the wrong statement, because right lung have a 3 lobe. Okay, then third option, they are covered by a pericardium. It is also wrong statement, because lungs is covered with a pleura cavity. Okay, then fourth option, situated just below diaphragm. It is also wrong statement, because lung is situated just above the diaphragm. Okay, birth in India must be registered within. So here 21 day is the right answer. Okay, within the 21 days we have to register the birth in India. Then what is the population of MP as per census 2011? Okay, so here our right answer is 7.26 crore population. Then as per SRS 2017, infant mortality rate of MP is. So here our right answer is 47. Okay, the next question, as per SRS 2017, under 5 mortality rate of MP is. So here our right answer is 55. Okay, the next question, census is conducted in every 10 year. So here 10 year is the right answer. Census is conducted every 10 year. First census in India is conducted on 1881. last in 2011. So next will be on 2021. Next question, crude birth rate is the simplest measure of a fertility because it includes, so here our right answer is mid-year population, because crude birth rate is the number of live births for a specific geographical area during a specific period divided by the total mid-year population multiplied by 1,000. Okay, so here right answer is mid-year population. Then in the demographical cycle, India is in the, so our right answer is India is in the late expanding stage. Okay, so there are mainly 5 stages of demographical cycle. First one is a high stationary, in that birth rate and death rate is high. Then early expanding, in that birth rate is unchanged but death rate is going to be decline. Then in late expanding, birth rate is going to decline and death rate is going to also decline. Then low stationary, both components are decline, and in decline stage, in the last stage, birth rate is further decline and death rate is a further decline and birth rate is unchanged. Okay, so India is in late expanding stage. Demographical process does not include, so here our right answer is demographical process does not include the morbidity. It includes the fertility, mortality and social mobility. The incidence is determined by, so here right answer is prospective study. Okay, so incidence is a number of new cases and prevalence is a number of total cases. So incidence is determined by the prospective study. The next question, definition of health given by WHO include which of the following? So here our right answer is all of them, because health is a complete state of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being and not merely the absence of any disease and infirmity. So here our right answer is all of them. Okay. Then which of the following is a mortality indicator? So here our right answer is life expectancy is a mortality indicator. Daily is the indicator for disabilities. Then primary prevention of dental caries include, so here our right answer is dental health education. Okay, because mass screening is included in a secondary level of prevention and dental fitting, teeth extraction is included in a tertiary level of prevention. School health checkup come under level of prevention. So here our right answer is school health checkup is included in a secondary level of prevention because it includes the early diagnosis, treatment and screening. Then 24 number, maternal mortality ratio is, so here our right answer is MMR is the proportion of a maternal death per 1 lakh live birth. Okay, so A is the right answer. Then National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program is related with, so here our right answer is malaria. Okay, the disease which transmitted via vector like mosquito, it include in a National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Okay, so malaria, dengue, Japanese encephalitis, these are the diseases which include in a National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Then the first day of ladies' last menstrual period was 15 September 2019. So what is the estimated date of delivery? So here our right answer is C, June 22, 2020. Okay, so we have to add 9 months plus 7 days in a LMP. So we get the number of EDD. Okay, then what is not a high risk pregnancy? So here our right answer is hemoglobin 11 gram, because hemoglobin below 10 gram is a high risk pregnancy. Some common complication of pregnancy include all except, so here our right answer is malaria is not a complication of pregnancy. Then common cause of maternal death is, so here our right answer is common cause of maternal death is hemorrhage. Okay, pregnancy, fertile egg usually implant in a, so our right answer is fallopian tube. Okay, normally the fertile egg is implanted on a layer of endometrial but in a ectopic pregnancy it implant other than endometrial rare, and most common site is fallopian tube. Then what is the excessive bleeding during a menstrual called? So here our right answer is menorrhagia. Okay, menorrhagia is the excessive bleeding during a menstruation period. Okay, so what is the metrorrhagia? It is a bleeding at an irregular interval. Then oligomenorrhea, it is occur at an interval of greater than 35 days. So here menstruation interval is about 35 days. Then polymenorrhea, so here menstruation cycle is shorter than 21 days. So our normal menstruation cycle is average about 28 days, but in a polymenorrhea it is shorter than a 21 days, and in the oligomenorrhea it is the greater than 35 days. The next question, the fertilization of an egg in a medium and a subsequent transfer to the mother uterus is known as, so here our right answer is, it is called IVF, in vitro fertilization. Okay. Next question, most common cause of infertility in a woman is, so here our right answer is sexually transmitted disease. STD is the most common infertility in a woman. Then during the antenatal examination, the information regarding fetal presenting part engagement is obtained by, so here our right answer is pelvic grip, because there are mainly 4 grip: fundal grip, lateral grip, or we can say umbilical grip, then pelvic grip and Pavlik grip. So for the engagement of presenting part, we get the idea through the pelvic grip. Then next question, for a tie the BP apparatus cuff while measuring the blood pressure, it should be placed, so here our right answer is, it should be placed 3 cm above the elbow, the tubing placed medially. So it is the correct placement for a BP cuff. The next question, all is it true for a exclusive breastfeeding except, so here our right answer is only branded Gutti can be given, because in an exclusive breastfeeding we cannot give any other formula than the breastfeeding. Okay. Next question, early neonate is a baby up to what age? So early neonate include the 0 to 7 days. Next question, a child with SAM having a hypothermia should be, so here our right answer is all of the above. Okay, it is kept under the warmer, then given the feed and screening for infection. Okay, so we should check these 3 criteria in a SAM, severe acute malnutrition patient. The next question, which babies are eligible for a kangaroo mother care? So here our right answer is baby less than 2 kg of weight. Next question, an infant might start walking at what age? So here our right answer is about 9 to 12 months. The infant should learn the walking. Next question, what should be applied over an umbilical cord? So here our right answer is nothing, because in umbilical cord we should not apply anything. Okay. Then what caused the pneumonia in an infant? So here our right answer is all of the above. Most common, the pneumonia in an infant, it is caused through the virus, but it can also through virus, bacteria and fungus. Okay. Then a newborn require initial step for a resuscitation if he is, then here our right answer is not crying. If neonate is not crying, then we should immediately start the resuscitation. Okay. Next question, what should be done to prevent the hypothermia? So here our right answer is all of the above. Okay. For hypothermia management, we should provide the kangaroo mother care, breastfeeding and covering the head. Okay. Then albendazole is given to treat, so here our right answer is to treat the worm infestation. Okay. Next question, which of the following is not given at birth? So here our right answer is pentavalent, which is not given at the birth. Okay. At the birth we should provide the OPV, oral polio vaccine, then hepatitis B and BCG. Okay. Then which of the following is included in open vial policy? So here our right answer is pentavalent, which include in a open vial policy. Okay. So open vial policies include the vaccine like DPT, TT and pentavalent. This policy is to make sure that vaccine remain effective with as little wastage as possible. Okay. So open vial policy is used for the pentavalent, DPT, TT vaccine. Next question. A 14-month-old child with a mild cold and a cough is brought for a vaccination. What should be done? So here our right answer is we should vaccinate the child. Then BCG vaccine can be given after birth. If not, can be given up to. So here our right answer is we give up to 1 year of age, or we can say 12 months of age. Then the last question. A child is a fully immunized child if he receive this vaccine before completing 1 year. So here our right answer is none of this, because until 1 year we should provide the vaccine like BCG, OPV, hepatitis B, measles, vitamin A, then DPT. Okay. So here our right answer is none of these. Okay. So here we completed our 50 questions of MPCHO 2019 Shift 3 paper. Okay. Part 2 will be uploaded on evening. So kindly watch that video, and if you get benefit from this question series, then kindly share with your friend and subscribe to our Nursing Vlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.